Looking for the best wholesale distributor in South Florida? Contact us, A&R Supply, air conditioning and refrigeration wholesalers, with stores located in Doral, Kendall, and Pompano Beach. From top brands to hard-to-find parts, we've got it all, ready to go and always in stock. Our expert team is here to help you get what you need. No delays, no excuses. When South Florida's contractors need supplies, fast, reliable, and in bulk, they turn to one name, A&R Supply. We move fast. With dependable delivery, your project never slows down. A&R Supply, air conditioning and refrigeration wholesaling done right, because your job depends on it.